And welcome again. Here I am today with a nice bag because I'm fronting one special place where it is a supplier of piercing here in Bangkok. They told me it's one of the big one. It's about 25 years experience and a very big group of people working inside. It's like 3 floor, okay, from contability and distribution and fabrication of all the material. We will go inside now to see, and of course I will go to shopping for my tattoo studio. This is the priority of my day. So we are here inside, guys. Start to see around a lot of stuff. You can see they start from container, where there are a small container full of different type, and then here is the showroom. You can see different model. Of course, there are so many to see. What is fast impossible to understand even for me. I have found so many diamond and different color and style. Look at here the tunnel, full of tunnel. Every type of tunnel you can find in the world. It's amazing. We're talking about 9,000 different kind of pieces. It's really explosive to see 9,000 type, totally different one to each other. You don't really. I don't know even what I buy today. I try to get more the standard because if I go to get everything this, I will be poor person for the rest of my life. Anyway, so you see how big here. Here you can see now on this side there are our people they working. They make a small package for order because the distribution in all the world. And it's amazing. It's amazing. Look how many boxes. We're talking about thousand boxes with inside different type of piercing. It's a big job they're doing, but very nice and professional. And here we are with my helper to find out our bag is about 4.5 kilo material, and we're talking about 4,000 pieces. I spent here today just a good money, but this is what I need for my client. Looking again is fantastic. I don't have a word really, but okay, what can I say? I'm shopping good for you guys. Paro Sync is with you, and let's hope. If you want any information, you work in the field, you can ask me anytime, and I can make in contact with the people directly to just you can buy for your shop too. Bye.